numpy 2D boolean array count consecutive true sizes. I'm interested in finding out individual sizes of the true patches in a boolean array. For instance, in the boolean matrix, the output would be I'm aware that I can do this recursively, but I'm also under the impression that Python array operations are costly on large scale, and is there an available library function for this?
Here's a quick and simple complete solution. Output. The trickiest line above is the fancy numpy indexing, in which one array is used to index the other. See the numpy indexing docs, section index arrays, for details on why this works. I also wrote a version of the above code as a single compact function that you can try out yourself online. It includes a test case based on a random array.
If you're working through it, show you this code.